Lotsa Luck. Premiered 1973. Three's Company. Three's Company. TGIF. Premiered 1999. Step by Step. Step by Step. Hollywood Wives. Premiered 1985. She's the Sheriff. Premiered 1987. Hollywood Wives. Premiered 1985-17. Candid Camera. Premiered 1948. More Candid Camera. When the host of Candid Camera's plane got hijacked, everyone thought it was a joke. But it wasn't. 5 of 29 the best TV shows of the 1940s, 27 of 190 the very best shows that aired in the 1960s.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.